Okay. Same ball. See you.
Boy, JB.
Huh?
Lagi kalima yan.
Remove to the side. Pass to Ming. Ming, bring the ball.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Pass to number 4, 5 seconds, 3. Oh, reset. Reset. Who's foul it? Number 5, foul.
Katulakaw na yan nga, makalay ba kumarayaw? Na, ayan ang mga gwapo nating committee.
Yan.
Na, biya makalay ba ko? Aw magjaga makalay ba ko? Okay. Okay, tingnan mo ang mga gwapo nat. Okay.
Isingan niya.
Nombor aja kanila 88.
Isa kayo. Kita ko lang ako?
Isa.
Ha?
Isa.
88. Musa bring the ball. Pass to Jacqueline. Jacqueline penetrate. Jacqueline no good. Pass to Musa. Musa. Pull two. No good. Oh. Pull it. Same ball.
2 jam.
Pass to Muhammad.
Tim Luan versus Kwan. Kalaban. Tinag-play biyaw. Ayan nag-play. Yan. Tim Indaldat.
Playboy niya.
Bahayain mga iwan ko yun ibya. Nag-bubu.
Good, 2 points, number 4. Musa bring the ball. Musa dribbling. Pass to Aidats. Pass to Muhammad. Muhammad. No good. Foul by number 4. Number 4 pass to Said. Said bring the ball. Said number 2 penetrate. No good. Rebound by. Oops. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 27. Counted. Number 27. Counted. Best.
Nagbisa na saya ni Brad Sam.
Okay, Posing Aldax bring the ball. The master Luan. Pass to Jalvin. Penetrate. No good. Rebound by number 27. Best. Pass to Ming. Ming bring the ball. Ming attempt. Penetrate. Pass to Said. Step back. No good. Rebound by Musa. Pass to Aldax. Oops. This ball. Ming penetrate, jump shot, counted, number 23. Score 6-4. In favor, Stranger. Huh? Tambak. Tadi penetrate. Counted, number 2. Kelvin. Sempurna guy. Huh? I don't know. Said. 9, 8, 7. Counted by number 2. Said. Score 8-6.
Paling kating kuat ni
Kating katawa. Musa bring the ball. Musa pass to Mr. Juan. Pass to Muhammad. Manong pass. Not counted. Foul by number 27. Pass to Ming. Ming up. Bring the ball. Ming attempt. Pass to Said. Said jump. Counted. Number 2. Counted. Score 10-6. Okay, reserve timeout. Who's timeout? Danger. Pass to Aldax. Aldax crossing penetrate. Wow. Aldax. Oops. Pass to Muhammad.
Good.
Number 8, bring the ball. Number 8, attempt to penetrate. Counted. Number 8. Okay, reserve timeout. Counted. Number 9. in favor, extender.
Why shot to pag time out bang nakakuan running.
Temot na puno. Kasi mag-temot. Ay, mag-whistle.
5 in 5 out. 5 in 5 out.
Okay, 5 in, 5 out. Time, 5 minutes and 9 seconds. 5 in, 5 out.
Ya karuin referee.
Magiging ka mo ito, Ultron.
5 in, 5 minutes lang.
5 in 5 out.
5 in, 5 out. Second 5, second 5.
Why 5 in 5 out. Oy.
Pero makaruha. Ay, alisin. Ba't tawin mo pa namin?
Oh.
Okay, second 5. Number 8, number 15, number 23. Ano pa? Number 91. Uy, grabe, Stephen Curry pa. Oh. Number 15, pass to number 23. Jump shoot, shoot! Number 23. Score 14-8 in favor and stranger. Albat's bring the ball. Repeat pass through. Mr. Musa, 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, pass to number 9. Number 9, jump shoot. Number 9, counted. Number 9, Albat's, the legend. Wow. Oh, still by Albat's. Albat's penetrate. Up, no good. Rebound by Jalin. Musa, pass to Jalin. Break, up, who's last? Okay, same ball. Foul, lambok, and foul. Ting Luan. Luan, 1 foul. Jordan. Muhammad. No good. Foul by Jordan. Jordan, number 5. Counted. Jordan. Number 15, Isma, bring the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Oops. Nagbigat yata yung max natin. Number 9, not counted. Oops, Savin. Isma, bring the ball. Number 15. Penetrate. Oh, side step. Pass to number 30. Stephen Curry. No good. Rebound by Guluga. Aldats penetrate.
Woo! Dia all magtuy.
Number 8, bring the ball. Yeah. Number 8, pass to number 30, no good. Rebound by number 7, pass to Haji Musa. Haji Musa bring the ball. Kaya na, naglaol na yung lumakan yan. 3 points! Number 3! Change favor, 15-14 in favor, Luan. Isma, bring the ball. Pass to number 23, jump shoot. No good, rebound by Dudang. Dudang pass to Jamin. Jamin pass to Aldat. Aldat penetrate up. Still by number 15. 15, bring the ball. Up, no, step back. Jump shoot, no good. Airball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds for the first quarter. Haji Musa bring the ball. Pass to Haji Albat. Pass to Tuldang. No good. Rebound by Jalin. On the pass, counted. Number 7. 17-14. Favor.
Magapus sino, magapus.
Isma, bring the ball. Still by Aldats. All touch, pass to Darin, Mr. Sampunagay, number 2. Score 19-14 in favor 1. 1 minute and 50 seconds more to play for the first quarter. Number 23 for 3. No good, rebound by Adjinusa. Jarin bring the ball, pass to Adjiadats. Adjiadats, Mr. 1, counted, number 9. Number 8, bring the ball. Pass to number 91, Rodman. Number 8, oh, pass to Isma. Isma, pass to Michael Jordan. Isma, penetrate. Wow, side step. Oh, anong tawag rin? Ball, stranger ball. Who's ball? Luan. Stranger. Huh? Stranger ball. Stranger.
Stranger ball.
Stranger ball.
Blue ball, blue.
Blue ball.
Jambol, jambol, blue ball.
Blue ball.
Kaya na kanin bola, panagnan kanin bola.
Blue ball.
Balik tara.
Score 21-14 in favor, Luan. Isma, bring the ball. Pass to number 23, pass to Isma. Pass to number 23. Oh. Isma. Pass number 8. No good. Rebound by Aldax. Aldax pass to the rim. Mr. Sampunagay, number 2. Score 23-14. 45 seconds more to play. Oops, anong tawag rin? Foul, number 2.
Na.
Number 23, no good. Ball by Musa. Musa bring the ball. Pass to Adjiadats. Adjiadats penetrate. Counted by number 9. Score 29-14. 23 seconds more to play. Huh? Yeah, 25-14.
10, 9,
8, 7, number 30, 4 seconds more to play.
2,
1. And the first quarter.
No, tambak ba ini?
Score 25-16 in favor 1.
Yan yung mga yan ang ating committee, mga gwapong 1 meter, 1 meter.
Hindi umuhok nyo. Ayaw mo humok.
No, isap na ko kanila. Na viral ka oh.
Viral lang po na viral isa ba? Ay kita ko na viral na ako. Ngam-ngam siapa aja tabla.
Big sisap.
Big siapa aja baklak.
May tayo budi di mana yam?
Bots ko na masyado yan.
Ano malingkating ka kamera? Manayam ka, oy. Ikaw ko di manayam. Malingkating ka kamera ko biyawon, di ko manayam. Kapon di makakamera.
Ingat ko pag-edit, malingkat vlog niya yawon.
Musa, bring the ball. Musa, Rahim. Musa, yang berkurang. Pastu,
Bahaya.
Good, good. Who's last left? Okay, same ball.
seconds.
16 seconds more to shoot. Number 11, for 2. Number 11! 2 points by number 11! Hey, Domeng. Domeng. Kumain ka. Who's back? Number 11, foul. Number 11, first personal foul. Okay, thank you. Huh? Oh. Okay, last throw. Ready for jumper. Oops. Apong, bring the ball. Apong, bring it. Box to number 27. Oh, box to number 95. Number 27. Foul number 2. Number 2. Second personal foul.
Pwede na.
Score 25-20.
Pangpalawat pero na.
7-1.
Wala na magkagawa.
Number 29, pass to Zarin. Zarin, Sampunagay. Bangaw-bangaw. Pass to Bangaw-bangaw. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11 looking. Okay, number 25. Number 95, Tadi. Oh, no good. Okay. Loose ball. Luar ball, ha?
May tamoy piara kay Yamir, ha? Yamir kay na gimuha.
Tawag na Yamir.
Yamir kay miyamanaw yaon.
Ikwantran sa'yo.
Ay,
Tawag na Yamir to.
pabiya na Yamir.
Ilaw ko si Nikan. Kawan ka kupat.
Wai pangaon na pag-uwas yan, pangaon.
Okay.
Yamir kapon, ikatutan na dyan kay Yamir.
Number 7, 2 points by number 7. Score 27-20. Anong tawag mo? Okay, takin. Okay, boss of play. Apo, bring the ball. Number 3, bring the ball. Pass to number 27, good assist. Go, pass to number 95. Big off. Number 4, 44. No good. Ball by number 27. Foul number 27. Score 27-22. In table 1. Aldax bring the ball. Pass to Musa. Musa. Oh. Wow, yan. Pick. Sabi pa ay. Bangaw! No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 3, Apo. Apo bring the ball. Apo penetrate. Pass to her. Still by number 3. To number 7. Number 7. 2 points. Number 7. 59. Score 29-22 in favor 1. Jadi, sana ang tawag rin.
Travel.
Traveling.
Tampal.
Travel si Terence Romeo. Bakit Terence? Apo, tingnan mo, Apo, penetrate. Wow, ganda. Yun, number 3 for 2 points. Apo. Score 29-24. Table 1. Osing. Oh, pass to Dulda. Dulda, pass to Bangaw. Bangaw, 2 points by Bangaw. Time remaining 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Nanti pa jadi. Pass to Musa. Musa for 3. 3 points. Musa. Score 34-24. Time remaining 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Apa yang terjadi? Okay, reset stop. Number 4. Reset stop. Okay, reset. Kan itu maksud. Down by Aldax bring the ball. Aldax dribbling. Up. Pass to Jamin. 8 seconds. Okay, still by Apo. Apo bring the ball. Apo penetrate. No. Pass to 95. Pass to Apo. Oh. Same ball. Substitution. Red, sub-red. Sub number 95 out. 22 in. Hug. Number 27. Number 2. Ito mo sinukan. Foul, number 22.
Bawa. Not shorted.
Substitution red.
Take 2 par. Wah, pasab. Take 2 na.
Number 11 out. Number 2 in.
Mag-take 2. Abok Petro mo na. Pasab. 2 Apa ba?
Musa for down. Pass to Zawin. Sampula by Mr. Bangaw. Okay, so Aldax. Good. Anong tawag rin? Sab.
Isab.
Sab. Isi saban mo.
Tekan na ba?
27 out. Okay, in. Number 88 in. Still by number 2, Said. Penetrate. Number 2 for 2 points. Grabe ang pogi mo. Jarin, Bangaw. Still. Anong tawag rin? Loose ball.
Okay, sab.
Okay, red. Sab.
Takat na.
Red. Bukan, nag-visuatan din natin ang kanisa episode. Aldax. One more for 2 points. No good. The ball by number 4. Pass to number 42. Pass to Said. Said penetrate. Sumabay ka dyan. Foul. Red, substitution red. Number 2, foul.
Time out ito.
Tara, watch it. Take dito. Who's time out? Okay.
Ay, pa ba? Buwan si Trupa.
Red, time out.
Way pa ba? One shoot ang
Kaya
palitan
tapos
ka
na
na.
kanina.
Isir ba dyan? Isir.
Time out, Red, 1. Okay, first throw. Okay, what's up? Okay.
Referee, anong masasabi mo sa laro na to?
Kita ko no?
Anong masasabi mo sa laro na to? Ayos ba?
Pagod lang yung referee kasi hindi kompleto yung hindi kompleto yung bayad ng mga player team.
Live to. Live. Yan ang ating score.
MVP, best player tonight, Adams!
Anong masasabi niyo mga pare sa laro na to?
Di kaya na doon na niya ulo, Bindu Adams! Best player, number 2,
Adats na. Grinduway.
Meron ng Bindu.
Nagrindo din Adats.
Last throw, ready for jumper. Okay, no handball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 27 seconds for the second quarter. Jarvin, third personal foul. Pass to Mohammad. Mohammad for 2. 2 points, number 7. Score 36-28 in favor, Luan. Seven, David, yellow, 30 more. Number 23. David, still by David. Number 23. Number 23. Oh, yellow stop jump. Good. Rebound side. Number 42, Han. Masih atang kali. Number 9, David. Number 9, pass to number 2. Foul. Number 88. 88. Oh, tuan. Hah?
Para kung ang play nila, paingon nila, hindi ko natin magit.
Still by Dudang number 5, no good. Rebound by Dudang number 5, counted. Score 38-30. Favor Luan. Domen, bring the ball. Pass to number 18. Oh, tawag net. Luan ball. Still by Apo, nice. Apo, no good. Musa, bring the ball. Musa for 3. No good, rebound by Dudang. Dudang attempt for 2 points. No good, rebound by Han. Attempt, pass to Domen. Okay, reset. Pass to Said, Said for 2. 2 points by Mr. Said. 20 more. Time remaining, 1 minute and 40 seconds more to play. Sharif penetrate. Pass to Jordan. Ganda. Yoyo. Got down. Domen bring the ball. Number 3. Pass to number 3. Apo. Apo. Pass to Domen. Tira mo na yan. Yolo. Pasok na yan. Sharif. Sharif penetrate. Pass to Aldat. Yono. Ready? Pass to Adimusa. 13 seconds. Ball by hand. And pass to Apong. Penetrate. Yono, ganda. 43 seconds. Pull down. No good. The ball by number 88. Okay, time out. Time remaining 27 seconds for the second quarter. Score 14-34.
Kumain sila sa player na tayo ka din bola. Utak kami din.
Ay, no, ay. Sir Whistle.
Ha?
Sir Whistle. Sir Whistle.
May ta.
Wait, magkamagan sila mga sila pa ng tao. Pwede sila pasakol. Long ball from Pebble.
Wai, betan mo. Ayan ang mo.
Yan ang sila. Oo. Sila ko ini bobo. Mana eh? Pangit po. Pasari na siya.
Tumingin dito ang mga pugi.
Time 40-34. 40. David, third pass ng foul. Wala ko ba kadit na to? Wala ko ba kadit na to?
Coach, anong masasabi mo sa team mo?
Kasi ngayong gabi, yung team ko, kulang yung player nila.
Hindi dumating? Bakit hindi dumating yung mga player mo? Anong nangyari?
Nakarating eh.
Anong nangyari?
Sabi ng coach namin,
Natamaan ba ng COVID? Ayan.
16 seconds more to shoot.
Okay, kanina na-interview natin ang isang coach na saluhan. Sabi daw yung mga player niya ay dumating kasi may COVID.
Oo.
Okay. Ayan.
Wala kasi ngayon ang COVID ngayon dito sa Johor Bahru. Okay. 15 to shoot. 10. 2 points. Score 36-40. 14 seconds. 12. 10. 9. 8. 6. 4. 3. 2. 1. And the second quarter.
Ay, blue ball.
Striker ball.
Okay. Interview natin ang assistant coach. Assistant coach, anong masasabi mo sa yung team?
Ang team namin parang ano?
Ano? What happened? What happened your team?
Walang player eh.
Walang player. Bakit? Anong nangyari? Bakit hindi dumating mga player mo? May sakit ba?
Nahold. Walang sakit pare. Baka maano niya, ma-stop yung
Ayan.
walang sakit.
Yan po ang player ng Luaan. 5 lang sila. Hindi dumating yung mga kasama nila. Yan ang captain ball. Aldat. Yan.
Kaya nila ito.
Dudang. Pagod na pagod sila. Wala silang sap. Yan ang MVP ngayon. Daming sang score. Yan. Yan si Musa. Yan si Mamad. Okay.
Walang 3 point,
Wala. Bakit walang 3 point? Dalawa na? May quarter pa dalawa. Okay, game. Anong masasabi mo sa team mo? Ha? Ano? So Brad, anong masasabi mo sa team mo? Parang malakas ang team mo ngayon.
Makakain sila ng...
Dito yung assistant coach. Assistant coach, anong masasabi mo sa team mo? Dami kayong ano. Ah. Ano Brad? Wala. Oh, eh.
Stay there, ball.
Change court!
Blue ball, blue ball.
Change court na! Change court!
Okay, change court. Wala rin player mo, Dominic. Bukain bidang siya. Second carry. Still by Buti. Deep fake, penetrate. No good. Still by Buti again. Deep penetrate again. Still by Haji Musa. Still by Said. Said number 2. Stuck shit. Number 27. No good. Number 7. Still number 3.
Uy! Drama.
Number 2, no good. Air ball.
Airball.
Musa bring the ball. Terence Romeo ng luar. Pogi-pogi mo. Pass to Musa. For 2 points. For good. The ball by Sultan. Number 5, counter.
Kinapus na ang cameraman. Wala na. Ayan.
Wala na. Oh.
Way na Mar. Sambilan mo nagka-cameraman ini. Kinapus ng hangin. Oh, Bro Adje, idol yung mga kamiti yan. Ayan yung mga kamiti.
Mga kamiti, pogi-pogi nyo.
Pogi-pogi.
Number 23, for 2 points. Oh, the ball na Isma. Isma, number 15. 2 point, Isma. Yang kami Isma yan lang. Nakambabol ito.
Parang nalungkot na ang manager nila dito.
Yes. 7. 8. 5. Rebound back. Number 20. Pass to number 27. 17 driving. Counted by Buti. Number 17. Score 40-42. Number 7. 2 points. 44.
Walang sab. Matirang matibay ang luhan.
Number 15. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Jump shoot. Counted. Number 2.
Touch shoot Isma.
Score 44-42. In favor of one.
Walking na. Ayan na. Naglaw na.
Nice. Musa, penetrate. Pogi mo, ibaw na dali. Mr. Bakabakal, number 23. Pass to Isma, number 15. Pass. Number 17. Penetrate. Yono. Ganda. Ibaw by number 17. Pogi mo. Counted. Number 17. Score 44. All. Pass to Undertaker. No good. The ball by Cole. Basil. Isma, bring the ball. Isma, penetrate. Yono. Ganda. Pogi-pogi mo. Number 15. James Faber. Score 46-44. In favor is taken. Time remaining 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Time to shoot. Nice. Pass to Duldang. No good. The ball by Musa. Musa, 2 goal. 3.
Okay, down.
Pass back na sila. Tapos na yung kalaban. Yun, Saib. No good. Rebound by Saib. Pass to Paul. For 2. No good. Pass to Aldax. Aldax. Hotel. Kaliwa, foul. Number 17. Time out.
Okay.
Blue, time out.
Okay, assistant coach. Anything to say? Anything to say? Wairon tinapay, adi julay. Ay mamon. Naglaw na sa niya, iwan nila sila Marilia, una wairon makasab kanila. Tur 5 ra sila, matirang matibay sila ini. Kaya. Way na ngi. Bro Haji, kita waya na sab. Way kiadulan sila, way pagsab. Ayan. Napaya ya.
Ewan sab.
Napaya yung bangaw-bangaw. Sana milang ini kuan lalakuran. Sana milang. No comment. Anything to say? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, wala na. Kaya. Okay. Wairun Bro Haji Mamun, Wairun. Na, Waisan Mamun. Wairun Mamun 100 plus. Kita ba yuhaw na kayo yung mga kuwan na to. Amo na tubig. May tubig. Minggo depan pa yung tubig yaw.
Minggo depan?
Ayaw. Ayat ko na.
Takakuan na.
Sila yung committee. Akin nagkamera sa Bion Bro Haji. Batsalan na. Batma.
Sila COVID daw. Dito daw. Ibabay naman po.
Napaya sila. Ampay namon stranger ini. Anong tawag, Grep?
Number 4. Wow. Yes, Number 3 points. No good. Bayaan mo na. Okay, Isma, bring the ball. Isma, bring the ball. Oh, pass to Domeng. Anong tawag rin? Okay.
Good, satu. Pasal may rekod na taxi.
That one is perfect. Johnny Patek, baka, block by number 27. Number 23. Number 23, pass to number 8, pass to number 33. Oh, let's start. Number 3.
Haji Musa.
18 seconds to shoot.
Pakai bisa Maika. Dua kamu.
Domeng inbound. Pass to number 8. Cut. Juno. Passing. Travel violation by Haji
Okay,
Musa.
travel.
Travel na yan. Pogi-pogi na. No.
Walang mamon, nalulugi.
Hati-hati na yun. Number 27, Travis.
Nah, Makati na ka, Bro Haji.
Number 8. Counted by number 8.
Ay, ini esta liagawan ng committee.
Napakalakas ng laro ngayon.
Tignan mo naman yung line-up po. Number 9, ang pogi-pogi. Bakit po? Number 9, you're out! Foul! Nahapot.
Minda ko tapat. Nagbisa. But way pagsabing kwan ini, way ron sab nila. Na! Sambil referee napaya. back to the committee.
Napakalakas na mga laro kayo, pare.
Alam mo naman yung mga player na yun. Number 9, the best player, Renewal Dutch.
Number 9, napakalakas.
Anong malakas? Anong malakas?
Ang team ng Rindu Dutch. Limang player lang versus 20 player.
Champion na?
Champion na.
Yan na mga... Yan mga...
Ang pogi-pogi mo.
Pogi-pogi nila.
Malunok bro, Adyen ay peri malunok. Ayat to na, mayroon tuwig niya.
Di ka ay bossing on.
May tuwig niya.
999.
Hindi kayo to.
Ay, 999 katon.
Hindi kaya.
Uy.
Napayang.
Ano, Derek?
Napayang.
May siya magsabi para...
Ilista mo na.
Kaya.
Pogi-pogi.
Kanta niya.
Best player, Dominic Dutch.
Ilista mo na.
Bistro na sa bato.
Ha? Yan, pasong-pasong.
Sabi ko siyempre.
May tuwig sinip mga kwan yan.
Ha?
Wala kayong tubig?
Walang tubig, Pads.
Walang mamon?
Walang tuyo na lang ito. Tuyo na lang.
Kawawa naman kayo. Di bali, pagkatapos nito, nilibre ko kayo.
Yeah.
Okay ha?
Mama.
Kakain tayo sa KFC.
Ang pogi mo.
Saan ang pira natin? Malunok. Ayan.
Yeah, masarap na.
Okay na, okay na? Ano?
Dewi kami ng time out.
Rindu Aldats. Kita, Rindu. Ano, okay na. Parang malakas ng mga player ninyo. Nakatambak na 2 puntos.
Pero walang mamon eh. Sa stadium yan eh.
Saan ang mga tubig nyo? Yan lang ba?
Ngayon na yung mamon lang wala.
Walang mamon?
Mga manin yun, nagapilahan. Nagsusunod ako, nagpunta dito.
Nagsisunta. Na, technical.
Walang tingnan.
Technical.
Again, referee.
Takawisan pakain na. Uy, matang preno urong takawisan pakain sa video. Mamawit na. Seconds more to play for the third quarter.
Mar, okay ra ko, Mar.
Magsalag na kayo.
Tigas ang hindi ka tapos.
Uli ni dohol. Lapian saran niya. Lapian dohol. Ini ba lapian?
Change ball. May na bola. Ang pogi-pogi na si Reed. Oh. Iwala ko siya. No. Si Reed. Pass to number 7. Good. Oh, anong tawag na? Number 8. Foul. First personal foul by number 8. Number 7. First throw. No good. Okay, red, chop.
Tekan na.
Chop. Number 8 out. Number 23 in. Last throw, ready for jumper. Number 27 is pass to number 17. Lista mo na yan. Ang pogi-pogi mo. Papuntin na yan. Buda. Sudah number 23. Pass to Mr. Said. Go. Number 2. Yeah, good. 15 seconds. Mr. Jawin. Number 7. No good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Score 56-60 in favor of Rod. Kok ayaw dito media. Yan, di ba pa yan? Di ba pa yan? Iya ba pa sa mga complete? Wah, hindi ka kakaritan to.
Di kaya.
Ay, pili niyo.
Yan na din doon dat.
Nakuha ko.
Dilan na tubig. Wala po tayo.
Unin, may story mo ha, team mo.
Napaya. Aso yung captain ball ng captain
Okay.
ball. Mayroon na si captain ball. Bangaw.
Okay, bangaw.
Bangaw FC. Siya yung MVP. Wala ka. 2 minutes ha.
Okay, interview natin ang coach, pati assistant coach. Ano sa palagay mo? Mananalo ka ba, kayo ba or hindi?
Ngayon kami hindi na ako mapalagay.
Ayun. Kung hindi ka mapalagay, dapat magpalagay ka na lang.
Kasi yung kasama ako
Black ball. Luan. Dito. Ano ito mag-ipaw? Dito rin. Last quarter. Yes, sir. Book na. Okay na, may paul mo ka? No. Best ball kasi. So, yan. Number 9. 10. Oh, anong tawag mo?
Oy.
Foul, number 23. Take 2. You know, all that content memory. Yan po ang ating best player ngayon, Aldax. Apo, penetrate, you know, ganda. Apo, number 3.
Na, way yaratan turing gunggungan sentibol ini wala.
Number 3, penetrate. Oh, tadi ya. Oh, ball. Okay, pass to number 95, pass break. Number 95, counter. Okay. Score 61-60. Come on, run. Good. Blocked by number 27. Pass to number 95. Good pass. Oh, sayang. Pass to number 23. Number 27. So good. Good down by Jamie. Oh, foul. Who's foul? Number 11. Foul. Number 11. Second personal foul. Huh? Isi na kabila. Musa, bring the ball. Pass to Gunda. Gunda, ready, go good. Before by number 11, pass to Apo. Apo, bring the ball. Apo, Atem, Jode. Before by number 95. Pass to Gunda. Oh, tawag red, good. Pass to number 11. Number 27, counter. Number 27. Score 62-61 in favor. Okay, listen. Pasto Musa, Pasto. Kebanggaan na balik pa. Pasto ako. Nalista mo na yan. Pagod na yung kalaban. Pass break na yan. Ako. Jono, number 3.
Siya ang time out. Lost ball. Napayan ay Dudang. Ay na, payan ay Dudang.
10 seconds to shoot. 9.
8. Good. Go by number 11. Na, magtambak na. Number yan. Number 95. Number 95, tadi Yono, ganda mo bata. Number 95. Score 66-61. Okay, Sab. Number 11. Number 23.
Uy, magkasat kayo. Sab naman kayo doon. Kamitin nyo na. Kahit coach kayo, pwede na kayo pumasok.
Time out. Para makali ha.
Walang pasa, parang patubig.
Patay. Patay na.
Patay ang player. Yono, number 27. Come back na. Ano, panong tawag?
Mga jaon dua nila.
Number 5, foul. Baka gusto niya mag-timeout. Wala din tubig. Useless timeout.
Sab naman dari. Sab magtuy. Pati sab. Taka na. Sab. Ayan
Last
to
to
na.
sa
Why na counted? Why na? Why pagsab? Why pagsab ya tuming? Why?
Number 15. No good. Number 2.
Down lost ball. Traveling.
Okay, substitution. Number 27 out. Number 33 in.
Na, dua na. Uy, na, double. Na.
Ganda mo. Oh, who's on it? Laban! Tulakin po!
Anong rep?
Tulakin po!
Bakit malakas yata yan? Ming!
Wala kang tubig.
Mayroon.
Pagod na, uhaw pa yung player. Number 3. Ball for Hernandez. Pogi-pogi mo.
Yan!
Pass mo sa rin. 17. No, no. Anong tawag na? Same ball. Pass to Said. 4-2. No good. Rebound by number 7, Muhammad. Pass to Musa. Musa, bring the ball. Musa. Pass to Duda. Pass to Bossing Aldas. Bossing, no? Anong tawag na?
Out of your way!
Number 33, foul.
Wala na pag-asa.
Wala.
Number 33, first personal foul. Take 2. Shot. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 7, Muhammad. No good. By number 7 again. 17, foul. Budi.
Kabiti.
Okay, time out.
Time out. One.
Ilan yung time out nila? Kira niyo.
Dua. Opo. Hey.
Okay, time out. Luan. When?
Alis din, mag-main sila. Mag-main sa pito.
Ay, tanaw, no?
Mayroon ba?
Ikot lang yan ng main sila. Still pang nila dito. Sa pag-main nila, mag-isip din nila. Ito, hindi ka kita Muhammad. One-on-one sila dito. Malaki Muhammad. May 17 minutes na lang tayo.
Okay. Pass to. Good. Okay. Blue ball.
Down!
Pass to Budi. Budi penetrate. Anong tawag na? Foul number 2. Number 2.
Kabiti, walang foul!
Ha?
Walang foul, Simon!
Foul.
Sabi ng coach, walang foul.
Walang foul!
Mawa naman kayo.
Apo, bring a ball again. Still play. Pass to Salim. Apo, bring a ball. Pass to Bemeng. Jump shoot. Nice.
Foul!
Putih, okay, ganda mo. Number 17. Ganda mo. Pogi mo. Pass to Muhammad. Oh. Nakababa yata yung pampas. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Number 33. Number 2. Pass to number 33. Ganda. 13. 13. Shoot. Number 9. Yono, nice. 6. Okay, number 17. Score 74-61. Great ball.
Tara.
Score 74-61 in favor Stranger. 4 minutes and 14 seconds more to play. Isma, bring the ball. Budi attempt. Discovery foul by Musa, number 3. First personal foul by Musa. Take 2. 3 minutes and 59 seconds more to play for the last quarter.
Why, Labi? Mga 10. Kaya na nakapag-start, mare mga 9, 8 na.
Last throw, ready for jumper.
Pila minute pa? I-running nyo na. Running nyo na. Ayun na count pag 1.
Ikaw ba, bossing Aldak. Bossing Aldak. Who's correct? Energy. Number 15.
Time out. Blue.
Penalty rep. Penalty. Okay, Pestro. Score 74, Stranger 61-1.
Ana, magapas ba ini piasyod katan? Magapas yung piasyod katan.
Ready for jumper. 3 minutes and 45 seconds more to play. Number 2. Number 7. Score 65-74. Pangin na ka rin eh. Okay. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Pwede mo ka-tension. Yun, no? Foul. Who's the red? Number 3. Second personal foul.
Penalty na. 5 na.
Pat. Okay, penalty red. Okay.
Sab.
Sab, tradition red. Sab.
Okay, sab.
Okay, sab. Usab, isisaban mo.
Sab. Ano way dayang sab.
15 minutes to shoot.
Out. Sab na kamay si sumap. Pasura, tekan na yung button. Sab.
Sab, tradition red.
Sab.
Kaya ka mo, 10 minutes pa man.
Sab. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Score 74-65. Number 2, counted. Number 95, rebound by number 27. Counted. Number 27. Foul, Muhammad.
Counted.
Counted, okay. 76. Okay. Last ball, ready for jumper. Ikaw kay Aldak. Aldak po 2. Tayo ng problema ito. Sabi okay, anong tawag rin? Penalty. Number 23, foul.
Penalty!
Last 2 minutes!
Last 2 minutes!
ka na. Hindi na.
Ikaw, para mo lang ipag. Pass to number. Kevin, attack. Pass to number 95. Ayun. Pogi-pogi mo. Sayang. Number 7. Muhammad. No good. Muhammad again. No good. Ikaw, baka number 15. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Number 23 for 2. No good. The ball by Jared. Pass to Muhammad. Muhammad. Easy layup. Foul. Number 15.
Baray na magtutok.
1 minute and 22 seconds. Ayun na.
Baray na magtutok.
Okay, ready for jumper. Ikaw by number. Okay, foul. 1 minute and 14 seconds more to play.
Penalty.
Who's scoring?
No foul.
Why ba?
Number 2.
Why, say, why rumba, line ball. Line ball. Gawin time.
Last throw. One minute and 5 seconds more to play. Three balls by Aldat. No good. The ball by number 7. Okay, number 7. 71, 76. Counted!
Ini mah tangkap dia tak kaunan.
32. 25 seconds. 24. 21 seconds. Pogi-pogi mo. Crossing on up. Second personal foul. Second.
Yan na.
Lapit na yung time natin.
Ang na kayo mag-time out, bro.
78, 71.
6 minutes na lang. Wala nang ilaw.
Wala nang tubig.
Wala nang tubig. Wala nang ilaw.
Wala nang mamon.
Wala kang mamon.
Wala nang lahat.
Sana hindi all.
Sana hindi all. Number 23 for 2 balls. Mabuni, pass by Mohamed.
Wala.
Mohamed pass to...
Na.
What? 11 seconds. 11 seconds. Okay. Three seconds. Musa.
Uy, referee.
Useless foul.
1.4 seconds.
1.4 seconds.
Uy, okay na yun na umit yan. Exit mo na. Exit, ay, why na time.
Last throw, ready for jumper. Pogi.
Okay.
Second.
Okay, ano?
Score 78-71. Winner is Major. Wow, one.
Paya. Napaya ang luhaan. Uwi na.
Second. Pogi-pogi nyo.
Yan, panalo.
Panalo po yung blue natin. Stay